With the Mavic 2's new Point of Interest 2.0 mode, shooting POI becomes much easier. Using the vision system to set a point of interest. Open the Intelligent Flight Mode menu and select Point of Interest. Choose the subject on the screen, tap Go, and the drone will measure a radius centered on the target point. You can adjust the drone's route and orientation in the app or with the control stick when the aircraft is orbiting the subject. If the gimbal drifts away from the target, tap towards POI in the app, and Mavic 2 will automatically adjust its direction and face towards the point of interest again. Using the GPS signal to set a point of interest. First, hover the Mavic 2 above the point of interest. Press the C1 button on the remote controller to set the point of interest. Push the left stick to control the altitude. Push the right stick to control the orbit's radius. After the aircraft is in the right position, click Go, and the drone will orbit the subject. With Mavic 2, it is easy to master 360-degree aerial photography. Thank you for watching.